the most beautiful thought is the fact that I have always loved you. Even before I knew what those words meant, I knew that I loved you and that I was loved by you. I dreamt in the sound of your voice and bathed in the color of your love. I sought solace in the thought that you were somewhere out there doing the same as I was. Like how at night I would often close my eyes and lay on my back with my hands outstretched to the heavens above. It was there that I felt as though I could feel your hands in mine, our fingers interlocked with only time and space between us. And I would watch as our arms would spin in small circles through the cosmos, as if hand in hand we broke through the barriers of what lies free from our understanding. Maybe it's naive of me to think that a love like this could exist, but I suppose what other option is there? I was built to believe in the impossible, and my imagination is incapable of anything less than. Every cell and fiber of my body understands this to be true, that on the other side of me there exists, and always has existed, you.
Kwentong long-distance relationship tayo sa Barangay Saksi. Tampok ang magkasintahang. Hindi lang po hinamak ang lahat.
Sinagot din nila ang tanong na isang kanta, gusto pa ba ang harana? Saksi si Dana Tingkungko.
Si Rose Ann madalas daw kantahan noon ng 8 taon ng nobyong si Marvin. Hindi man ito tulad ng harana ng panliligaw na nakagawian ng ating mga lolo't lola. Miss pa rin ito ni Rose Ann. Si Marvin kasi, 4 na taon nang nasa Dubai. Pero kanina, may sorpresa kay Rose Ann. Sa tulong ng mga kabarkada niya at ng isang harana service,
sino ba namang hindi kikinig kapag kinantahan ko? Eh maganda rin kasi boses noon. So talagang yung boses niya pang harana.
ang harana parang pag-ibig daw. Kumukupas, pero hindi bumibitaw.
I hope soon magkita na ulit tayo. I miss you and I love you.
Nung tayo'y nagkatinginan, hindi ko inakala na tayong dalawa. Nagsimula ang istorya nating dalawa. Sinubok ng distansya, mga unos ay nalampasan. Laman ng aking dasal ay makasama ka hanggang sa pagtanda, problemang magdaan, magtiwala ka. Sabay nating tuklasin sa habang buhay na to, ikaw ang gusto kong mahalin. Kahit anong mangyari, hindi ka na mag-isa. Kahit anong pagsubok man iyan, hindi ka iiwan. Kasama mo ako, sinta, kung saan man tayo mapadpad. Ako ngayon, pati ang bukas, hanggang sa magpakailanman. Nasa ibang-iba man ako ng planeta. Pintig ng puso ko ay ngalan mo, o aking sinta. Sa bawat oras at minutong nagdaan, hinintay kong makita ang aking tahanan. Pahinga ay ikaw. Kahit anong mangyari, hindi ka na mag-isa. Kahit anong pagsubok lang kung hindi tayo nagkatinginan. Salamat sa Diyos, ikaw ang aking